Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Maya card. First, you'll want to download the Maya app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it up and register for a new account using your mobile number. It's a quick process. After that, you'll need to verify your identity with a valid government-issued ID. This step ensures the security of your account and helps prevent fraud. Now that your account is set up, let's order your physical Maya card. Inside the app, simply navigate to the Cards section. From there, you'll see an option to order a physical card. You can even choose from several attractive designs. Just provide your complete delivery address, double-check everything, and confirm your order. Your new card will be on its way in just a few business days. Fantastic! Your physical Maya card has arrived. The next step is to activate it. Open your Maya app and look for the Activate Card option. You'll need to input a few details from your new card to complete this process. After activation, you'll set your unique 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. Remember this PIN as you'll use it for all your secure transactions. With your card activated, you're ready to add funds and start spending. You can easily add money to your Maya account through bank transfers or by cashing in at various partner locations. Your Maya card is accepted for both online and in-store purchases, making it super convenient. Plus, the app helps you track your spending and manage your budget effectively, giving you full control over your finances.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.